How to connect Squarespace to Facebook Shop. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can connect your website here, Squarespace, with your Facebook Shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. There are two ways to do this. The first one is directly here into the edition of your website. So let's suppose I'm in the dashboard of my website. I'm going back to show you. Okay, here I am in the dashboard. You must go into your website, and here you are into the edition mode. Now here in the left panel you got the settings. You must scroll down until you'll find connected accounts, and there you must connect an account. One of them is Facebook, but probably you want like more specified features here between Facebook and Squarespace, so you must go into Zapier. This tool is gonna give us the chance to make some other actions. So by now I must create a Zap, and you must select which one is going to be the trigger and the action. Let's suppose the trigger is going to be the Facebook shop, so you must type Facebook. There are different options with Facebook. It could be the lead, ads, pages, messenger, groups, okay? That's on you. So let's suppose it's going to be a page from Facebook, and our event, let's suppose it's going to be a new post from us or a new recommendation, new post by us. Continue, and you must sign in to give your credentials to Zapier. Once you have done that and Zapier has been linked to your Facebook pages, you must arrange the action. So the action is going to be done in Squarespace. You must select an event. So every time you get a new post, you're gonna create an app extension or an API request. That's on you. You must select it, click on continue, and give your credentials, your Squarespace credentials, to Zapier. Remember, you can make this same process vice versa. So first the trigger is going to be done by Squarespace, and the action is going to be taken and done in Facebook pages or whatever other service you need. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.